Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're opening Live Earth Map and signing in now. You need an account so your settings and favorites sync. Tap Sign In, choose email or Google, and enter credentials. Once done, grant location and camera access so the app can center you and show live overlays. Without permissions, you'll see only static tiles. Make sure background data is enabled, otherwise live updates will pause when the app goes to the background. You're ready for the next step. You'll now choose how the map looks and what data you see. Tap Layers and toggle Satellite or Terrain for context. Pick Live to get real-time imagery. Next, enable overlays like traffic and weather so incidents and conditions appear as icons. Use the search box to jump to an address or press the Locate button to center on your GPS. Pinch to zoom and two-finger rotate to adjust orientation. If you need precision, switch to 2D or 3D. You're finishing by capturing or sharing what you see. Tap Record or Snapshot to save live footage. Recordings go to your gallery and can be exported or shared via link directly from the app. Once saved, choose Share to send a link or file to collaborators. If the stream lags or freezes, close background apps, switch to a lower-res stream, or restart the app. Make sure cellular data or Wi-Fi is strong. If problems persist, toggle permissions and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.